How to mock an import. Modular includes import B at its top. However, under test conditions, I'd like to mock B in A, mock a.b, and completely refrain from importing B. In fact, B isn't installed in the test environment on purpose. A is the unit under test. I have to import A with all its functionality. B is the module I need to mock. But how can I mock B within A and stop A from importing the real B, if the first thing it does is import B? The reason B isn't installed is that I use PyPy for quick testing, and unfortunately B isn't compatible with PyPy yet. How could this be done?
You can assign to sys.modules B before importing A to get what you want. Test.py. A.py. Note B.py does not exist, but when running test.py no error is returned in print. A.b.__name___ prints mock_b. You still have to create a mock_b.py where you mock B's actual functions / variables / etc., or you can just assign a mock directly. Test.py.
I realize I'm a bit late to the party here, but here's a somewhat insane way to automate this with the mock library. Here's an example usage. The reason this is so ridiculously complicated is when an import occurs, Python basically does this. Take for example from herp.derp import foo. Does sys.modules herp exist? Else import it. If still not importer. Does sys.modules herp.derp exist? Else import it. If still not importer. Get attribute foo of sys.modules herp.derp. Else importer. Foo equals sys.modules herp.derp.foo. There are some downsides to this hack together solution. If something else relies on other stuff in the module path, this kind of screws it over. Also, this only works for stuff that is being imported inline, such as or.
The built-in __import__ can be mocked with the mock library for more control. Say looks like. A .a returns b_mock.func, which can be mocked also. Note for Python 3. As stated in the changelog for 3.0, __built-in__ is now named built-ins. Renamed module __built-in__ to built-ins, removing the underscores, adding an s. The code in this answer works fine if you replace __built-in__ by built-ins for Python 3.
How to mock an import. Mock a.b, module includes import b at its top. Easy, just mock the library in sys.modules before it gets imported. And then, so long as it doesn't rely on specific types of data being returned from B's objects, should just work. You can also mock import a.b. This works even if you have submodules, but you'll want to mock each module. Say you have this. To mock, simply do the below before the module that contains the above is imported. My experience, I had a dependency that works on one platform, Windows, but didn't work on Linux, where we run our daily tests. So I needed to mock the dependency for our tests. Luckily it was a black box, so I didn't need to set up a lot of interaction. Mocking side effects. Addendum, actually, I needed to simulate a side effect that took some time. So I needed an objects method to sleep for a second. That would work like this. and then the code takes some time to run, just like the real method.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.